But like, I feel like once you tease it, at least with my hair, you can just kind of like form it a little bit. So you look at that, and now it's just like a shoot. It's like a banana on my head. Hey y'all, what is up today? Sorry I have not seen you in a long time. It's been a very crazy week. And also, like, I don't know if this is with everybody, but with me I was like, okay, like I made one video and uploaded it, like I'm accomplished and I'm done. I'm just kidding. But I actually tried filming another video and it did not go according to plan. So here I am with this. So I just finished cleaning my room and I'm bored, so I figured I would do my hair and maybe my makeup. So get ready with me. I'm probably not going anywhere today, but that's okay. We're doing it anyways. So yeah. So I washed my hair this morning and it's in air dried. Let's do a quick brush through. I really have like no routine at all. Like usually just get out of bed and I look like freaking Medusa and I'm like, okay, like I brushed my hair, I'm good, right? So just gotta make sure it's not catching or anything like that. I like to make these like 2 little space buns and they were really cute. One of a YouTuber I watched actually like did a tutorial on it. So I was like, cute, I want to do that. So I did do like 1 giant space bun on the top of my head for church this Sunday and it looked really cute, but I don't know if I have enough hair for 2, but we can try it. So for 2 of them, you're just gonna like part your head or your hair straight up down the middle. You're gonna want to make sure you have probably like 4 ponytails. Just smack them all in there. Hopefully I don't like cut off my circulation. I really hate having my hair parted like in the center. Alright, so now that you have your hair parted and your fancy ponytails, you're gonna put your hair up. So I think I'm gonna start with, oh crap, I forgot, you have to part it like all the way down the back too. Just separate that. Like it'd probably be better if you used a comb, but I'm just using my fingers right here, so I hope that's fine. But I'm going to start with this side. And we're going to want to go like straight up on the side of the head. Trying to make you look like you're 12, you know? Oh crap, that's not working. Alright, let's see here. So I feel like the problem that I run into is I just have like really fine hair. And so like it's not ever like as big and poofy as I want it to be. I really hope I didn't miss any hair in the back. Oh well, I still have another side, so if anything I can just throw it in there, right? Okay, so that looks good. So go ahead and put that in a ponytail. How do you like it? It looks like a narwhal if it was just one. And now you throw up the second one. When I was doing my hair the other day though, like I had wispies, or I wanted wispies, but like one was longer than the other, so I just like went and like cut it a little bit. So now I have these that like always fall out. Like I don't hate them, but I'm just like, okay, that feels okay. You know, who's gonna see the back anyways? Everybody else but you. So I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. Alright, so now, ow, what is that? Hair. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your brush and you're gonna tease it a little bit, just like straight up. Comb it into your head. Or brush it into your head, or comb, whatever. But give it a little more volume. Oop, don't forget the ends. Look at that difference. So voluptuous. They're cute already. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your fingers and like put it on this side. Oh wait. okay, no. You're gonna like wrap this around, like from the back, around your fingers. And then you see him poking through this little hole right here. Go like this. And then put it in between your fingers. And pull that hair with your fingers through. Maybe pull it a little bit and then like take that little extra and wrap. And then your other ponytail you can take. And you're just gonna straight up put that baby on. No! I got a freaking horn! No. Okay, no. We're gonna fix that. Just like open up this little ponytail piece right here and tuck in any horns if you got them. And then you can fluff them out a little bit. Yuck. Okay, I'm gonna get some bobby pins. So you're just gonna pin down all the pieces that you think need to be moved. And so it looks like this. Not the best, but that's alright. Oh, okay, that did something. Oh, maybe I should just, ooh. We're leaving it like that. Or should I like pull this piece down a little bit? No, we're leaving it. I like it. It looks good now. It looks good. Faith restored. Okay. Now you're gonna go and do the other side and tease that baby up. You know, I had to tease my hair for theater. So when I was in high school, my senior year, we did a play for a choir. And it was Les Mis, and I was like this peasant. Well, I wasn't a peasant, but I was just some like poor person, like starving on the side of the road. And I teased my hair so freaking big. I'll put in a picture for you guys. Like somebody in my choir actually made a meme out of it. It's funny. Let's see if I can get one more. Oh geez. That one's cute, that one is not. Okay. Oh, I wish it kind of looked like the other one. Like, cause this one like looks cute and it has this little like donut hole, but then this one's like rounded. What did I do? Okay, we're gonna redo that one. Okay, I just took that one out and I re-teased it because it went down a little bit. So same instructions, fingers here. Oh, hold on. How many times I could do this? Okay, right here. So towards the back, you're gonna wrap around the back. You're gonna put your fingers in the back, I guess, and then wrap your hair around like that. And then pull it. Give it to your two little fingers right there. What is that? Your middle finger and your index finger? Yeah. And pull it through. Give it a little tug. And then, I'm not going to twist it too much. I think that was my problem last time. Oh, it looks like it's super ratty. Well, oh, you know, I think I see it right there. Is that where the donut hole is? I don't know. Ooh, there we go. There we go. So I gotta pull those babies in while it lays out. What do you guys think? Here, I'll try and like show you. I have no eyesight, or I have eyesight, but when I put the phone up, I don't. Okay. Let me see if I can try and show you the back. Oh wait, I can just like, oh wait, no, then you can see me. Let me just go like this, and then like, I need to get like a whatchamacallit arm. I hope you can see that. If not, I'm sorry. It looks fine, I think. I like this one so much, and then this one's like a turd on my head. And this one's like taller. What the heck? What the actual heck? Maybe I just fluffed it too much. Oh, let's do that. Pin that back like right there. Half of your bun is just like the art of bobby pinning. So you have to just like tug and pull at pieces until you're just like, oh yeah, that's cute. And then you just like stick that baby down. I guess I'll put on some makeup. So this video is long enough, so if you want to see the makeup part, look at the next video. Love you. See you later. Bye.